In this video, we will see how we can create project parameter using Autodesk Revit. For this, we are just creating a new project using mechanical template. Here, first you have to go to the Manage tab, and you will see there are three options: project parameters, share parameter, and global parameter. We already seen how to create global parameters in other video, so let's click on the project parameter. See, only subdiscipline is here. Now at the bottom of this tab, there are four icons. One is for edit parameter, new parameter, add parameter for service, and delete parameter. So click new parameter here. Here you will see two options: project parameter and share parameter. Just name the parameter, new parameter, that is service name, and assign category to docs. And change data types to text. You can change this also by group instance. Also you can assign more categories like duct fittings. Now just click hide and check and OK. See, service name is here. You can also edit this service name parameter just clicking edit parameter. For example, we are assigning more categories to it, like conduits. And now click OK. You can also delete any parameter from this list, just using this delete parameter here. We are not deleting any of this parameter now. Now let's check this parameter. Let's draw some ducts here. Just click on the duct and go to the properties browser. You will see service name is here. Here, see. Same you will see in duct fitting also. See. Let's check this for conduit also. Let's draw some conduit here. It's not visible here. Let's change the visibility setting. Enable temporary properties and go to visibility graphics. Turn on conduit here and apply, and change detail level to fine. Now if you click the conduit here, you will see the same parameter, service name is here. In this way you can create project parameter using Autodesk Revit. If this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.